today I want to make a nice rustic chopping board out of this scrap piece of timber. This is a scrap old piece of ash. The first thing I want to do with that is just clean it up with the belt sander so we've got something nice to work with. That's cleaned up reasonably well. What I've done there is put the pencil mark out to the widest that I can possibly do it whilst keeping it parallel. And then off of that line I've marked back the thickness of the circular saw table, the bed on the saw to the blade, and then I want to clamp my straight edge on that line and the saw cut will be on that line. I want to mark a centre line down the length of it as well. From that centre line I just want to mark out a small circular handle and then cut back to make a nice shape on it. I also want to just round the two edges as well. To do that, a nice and simple method is just draw around something. So I've got a little lid off a spray pot and a little glue pot. I'm just going to put those on the edges, draw around it, and then I've got my nice round edges and that will form the handle there. after all of that marking out, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see the kind of shape that I'm going for there in the pencil lines? Get the jigsaw out now. That's the basic shape. It needs to tidy up with the sander now, and then I can go paint that and finish it. Clamping the belt sander to the bench like that allows me to just run it along there and shape the corners. It just makes it a bit easier to get everything flat and smooth. The last things to clean up there is just inside there where I can't get to with the sander. I'll have to do that by hand. One quick last blast with the belt sander will finish the faces of them nicely. After that sanding's all finished, I'll just use some tung oil on these just to finish them up. It's food safe. I just apply it with a rag. It goes on a bit lighter and you get a thinner coat, and you can build up with a couple of thin coats then. Okay, right, there it is. It's nice and easy, something fairly easy to do. And we managed to make two out of one scrap piece of board that I found at the back of the shed. If you're interested in any of the tools or anything that I may have used in the video, I'm going to put some links to Amazon so you can see them. and maybe find your way to getting some if you want some for yourself. And you also now you can support me on Patreon. I've started a Patreon because I want to make some more videos like this and make better content and build myself a nice workshop as well to work out of. And I'd like to share all of that with you and put some more stuff on Patreon that perhaps I wouldn't put on YouTube or something. Whatever you like. Get commenting, liking, subscribing. Let me know if you like it, if you don't like it. Yeah, thanks for watching. See ya.